Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you SoFi credit card review. But first, there's a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're already doing your banking, investing, and borrowing through SoFi, their flagship credit card is absolutely no-brainer. But if you aren't plugged into their digital universe, it quickly becomes just another standard card with a few strings attached here. So the headline feature here is that it serves of a unlimited 2% cashback on absolutely everything you buy, completely eliminating the headache of tracking rotating spending categories or manually activating merchant deals. So the big catch with that 2% though is that SoFi purposely built this card to lock you into their ecosystem. To get the full value of your points, you have to redeem them directly into a SoFi product, whether that means dropping cash into a high-yield savings account, routing it straight into your stock profile, or using it to chip away at a SoFi student or personal loan. It basically turns your daily groceries or gas runs into an automatic wealth-building machine. But if you want the freedom to cash those rewards or out to a rival bank, the point value drops significantly, cutting your effective rewards rate down to a measly of like 1%. Now, when it comes to fees and some perks here, well, the card is exceptionally clean and friendly. So there is a flat $0 annual fee and zero foreign transaction fees. So it's a fantastic low cost of companion to pack for international travel. Because it sits on the premium MasterCard World Elite Network, you also get great built-in extras up to $1,000 in complimentary cell phone protection against damage or theft. Now, in a really rare moment for a lender here, SoFi will even reward your good behavior by lowering your ongoing interest rate by 1% after you make 12 consecutive on-time monthly payments. Now, the major trade-offs to keep in mind though are that the card traditionally lacks a massive, flashy introductory sign-up bonus to pocket, and it definitely is not meant for repairing a broken credit profile, as the underwriting algorithm generally looks for a good to excellent score starting around 670 or higher. Ultimately, if you love having your financial life under one roof and want to effortlessly automate your savings or that payoff here, this card absolutely is worth it. But if you want total flexibility to move your cash whenever you please or whatever, well, without being penalized here, you should skip SoFi and grab an alternative out there. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.